Hello guys. In today's video, I am sharing updates about the Botim app, which is known for video and audio calling, but now includes a new money and card feature. After registration and OTP verification, your account becomes active. Once logged in, tap on Botim Money, where you'll get a virtual MasterCard. This card can be used for online shopping and local payments. You can activate it with fingerprint or a password and check your card details easily. There are two card options: a standard card for AED 25, usable only in the UAE, and a premium card for AED 200, which works internationally. To add money, tap Recharge, select the amount, and choose a nearby cash deposit machine. Enter your registered number and complete the deposit. Your balance will reflect in the app. You can also send or withdraw money. The app is still easy and useful for basic financial tasks. If you find this video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.